In addition to using the default planes or creating your own reference planes for use in a 3D sketch, there's a special type of plane you can create on the fly while in a 3D sketch. This is not the same as a reference plane. The main difference is that reference planes are fixed in space once you define them. Planes in 3D sketches are not. They can be defined using dimensions and relations just like any other sketch entity. Let's take a look at an example. Here I have a 3D sketch with 3 line segments already created. These are aligned with the X, Y, and Z axes and are here primarily to help us with visualization in 3D space. To create a 3D sketch plane, you can use the plane icon from the Sketch toolbar or from the Tools Sketch Entities drop-down menu. Notice the difference between this and a reference plane, which is found in the Insert Reference Geometry drop-down menu. The Plane Property Manager will appear showing selection windows for first, second, and third references. In a moment, we'll see how these references can help you define planes as you create them. In this case, I'll simply click OK and a plane is inserted into the sketch. Notice the Sketch Property Manager lists the plane with a minus sign in front. While a plane is active, any sketch entities you create will be on the active plane. To deactivate a plane, double-click in open space or double-click another plane.